So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a program that makes use of Boolean operators. Now, Boolean operators allow you to check multiple conditions within your program. Now, as per usual, I'm going to show you how to set up your program so that it is ready for you to code. Remember, using namespace std. There we go. So I've got the kind of start of my program here. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a program that does a number of for loops. So what we're going to do here is for int num equals 1, num less than 50, num plus plus. All right. Now what that's going to do is do a loop from 1 to 50. All right. So it's going to start at 1 and go up to 50. All right. But what it's going to do is, all right, we're going to output some values. So we're going to say if the number, all right, so if the number is 0 and percent 5 equals 0. So we've got some if conditions here. So we're going to do our first if statement here. Cout, and I'll explain what this is doing in a minute. Cout num fizz bang \n, and so we've done our first if. So what the code is going to do is going to use an and to output fizz bang for the values in the loop that are multiples of 3 and 5. So what this is doing is checking if the number is a multiple of 3 and 5. So in other words, if you can divide it by itself and it becomes 0, then we end up with fizz bang. All right. But if they are multiples of 3, we get fizz. If we get multiples of 5, so this is 3 and 5, all right, we get fizz bang. So that's two conditions, and we used an and there. All right. The next one we're going to do is else if num %3 equals 0. I'm going to go cout num fizz \n, and last else if %5 equals 0. I'm going to go cout num bang \n. Now, what this is doing here is this is checking two conditions have been met. So we're using this to say it's divisible by 3 and 5, we get the word fizz bang. If it's only divisible by 3, we get a fizz. If it's only divisible by 5, we get a bang. Now, it is possible to change that to the or, so it's one or the other, by using the two pipes, and that is next to the Z and shift key. It's between the Z and shift key. But in this case, we're going to use the and. Now, when we run this, what it should do, because I've declared an integer here for num, what it will do is start from 1 to 50, and it should count all of those through. So you can attempt this code for yourself. So let's see if that works. So you can see 3, 5, 6. So it's put what the number is, what the value is. If you wanted to, you can put a space there by the string to make that look a little bit tidier. Some people like to do that. So I'm going to run that again. So you can see the ones that are divisible by 3 and 5 are fizz bang, fizz bang, fizz bang. All right. But if they're only divisible by 3, it's fizz. If they're only divisible by 5, it's bang. So that's simply how to use Boolean operators. If you have a look here, all right, that is the and symbol, but look back at your PowerPoint and you can see the others.